Further up north in the Himalayas, between the snow-capped mountains, lies the extremely popular hill station. No list or discussion of hill stations near Delhi can be complete without including this timeless gem, and for good reason. Yes friends, I am talking about the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, which is known as Simla. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TFC means Travel, Fashion and Culture. Since Simla is located just about 340 km from Delhi, this hill station is an ideal escape, especially during summer. I also have been to Simla many times, and this time I made my journey in March end. I started my musical road journey from Delhi. Why musical journey? Because my trip is not complete without music, and my road trip in India is full of Kishore Kumar, Asha Bhosle and R.D. Burman's music, and I love to listen to 70s and 80s Bollywood blockbuster songs.
Nisha, 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 Nisha. करेगा अपना चर्चा ये जहां दिन किनक दिन किनक दिन दिन किनक दिन किनक दिन दिन किनक दिन किनक दिन दिन किनक दिन किनक दिशा निशा निशा निशा
आपके कमरे में कोई रहता है तरारा कहते जमाना कहता है तरारा आपके कमरे में कोई रहता है तरारा हम नहीं कहते जमाना कहता है तरारा आपके कमरे में कोई रहता है.
Now listen to this lovely number from movie Disco Dancer, music composed by Bappi Lahiri.
Jimmy, Jimmy, acha acha acha, Jimmy, Jimmy, acha acha acha, acha re mere saath, ye jaagi jaagi raat, पुकार तुझे सुन, सुनना दे वही धुन. Jimmy, Jimmy, acha acha acha, Jimmy, Jimmy.
छोड़ो सनम काहे का गम, हंसते रहो खिलते रहो। छोड़ो सनम काहे का गम, हंसते रहो खिलते रहो। मिट जाएगा सारा गिला, हमसे गले मिलते रहो। छोड़ो सनम काहे का गम, हंसते रहो खिलते रहो।
Simla is the capital of the state of Himachal Pradesh in India. It is a very popular holiday retreat during the summer months and is well known for its Victorian architecture, which is reflected in certain areas of the mall and the ridge. It is also a famous holiday spot for honeymoon. Come for a holiday and get opportunity to spend quality time close to Mother Nature and make your trip most relaxing. What more you can expect from your holiday trip? Simla is such a trip, especially for those who have a passion of exploring natural beauty and serene environment. Nothing can be compared with such amazing places. The best time to visit Simla with family is the summer season, when daytime temperatures are pleasant and outdoor adventures are plenty. The best season to visit Simla for snow is the winter season, which is between November and February. Snowfall season in Simla begins in late December and lasts through February. October to February. This is again a popular season for Simla for people who are looking for snow, which typically falls between December and February. This is the time when skiing and ice skating take off. The average temperature during this season is around 8 degrees Celsius and goes down to -2 degrees Celsius. If you are also one of them, definitely the warm welcome from tourism in Simla would make your dream come true. Talking about Simla, the Queen of Hills is situated at an altitude of 2,215 meters above the sea level. Being one of the largest hill stations in India, Simla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, where honeymooners, couples, nature tour lovers, and those who look for serenity and tranquility come to enjoy their holidays. From sky or a very high view, the beautiful hill station in Himachal Pradesh looks like wide half-moon shaped ridge that is at 12 km far in northwest of Himalayas. You will see the complete presence of Mother Nature everywhere in Simla, in pine and deodar forest ranges, snow-capped mountains, deep valleys, natural springs and crystal clear water rivers. For the duration of British Empire, it was the summer capital that has become an ideal romantic place for tourists now. Before you enter the hill station, it is vital to know about the best time to visit in Simla. Attractions include the Viceregal Lodge, the Christ Church, the Jakku Temple, the Mall Road, the Ridge and Annadale, which together form the city centre. The Kalka-Simla railway line, built by the British, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is also a major tourist attraction. Spanning some 60 miles, the Kalka-Simla toy train is said to be the one of the most scenic railway journeys in India. This journey runs on a narrow gauge from Kalka to Simla, treating passengers with the breathtaking views of rugged mountains, lush pine forests, waterfalls, valleys, and picture-perfect hill stations along the way. For easy and quick access to Simla, the Kalka-Simla narrow gauge was started in 1903 and was referred as the British Jewel of the Orient. The maiden journey of the train was taken by the Viceroy of India, Lord Curzon, and since then the train has been operating regularly and has become an iconic symbol of Simla that is cherished by locals and tourists alike. The Kalka-Simla train allows passengers to see mesmerizing sights and hamlets that they would have otherwise never witnessed. The route starts from Kalka, located in the Panchkula district of Haryana, from 0 meters, winding its way upwards along the narrow track.
ऊंचे घर वाली हो या गलियों की रानी, कोई हो तुम रहती हो कहीं। ऊंचे घर वाली हो या गलियों की रानी, कोई हो तुम रहती हो कहीं। तुमसे बढ़ के यारा कौन, हमको तो तुमसे है कांची, अरे हे कांची, ओ प्यार।
The Ridge Road is a large open space located in the center of Simla, the capital city of Himachal Pradesh, India. The Ridge is the hub of all cultural activities of Simla. It is situated along the Mall Road, which is the famous shopping center of Simla. Most major places of Simla like Snowdon, Mall, Jakku Hill, etc. are connected through the ridge. It runs east to west alongside the Mall Road and joins it at the Scandal Point on the west side. There are some prominent landmarks on the ridge area, and some of them are neo-Gothic structure of church from 1844 and a Tudor Baden-style library built in 1910. There are 3 statues on the ridge, that of Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi and Dr. Y.S. Parmar, the first Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Scandal Point is located along the western end of Simla, where the Mall Road joins the Ridge Road, a meeting place for locals, tourists and lovers. Scandal Point is a name wrapped in mystery. This pleasant small square, which is overlooked by the Mok Tudor State Post Office, has the bizarre name of Scandal Point. It is a famous address in a famous city and among the must-visit spots for tourists. But exactly why Simla's Scandal Point has been named so is still a tantalizing mystery. The name arose from the commotion caused by the supposed elopement of a British lady with an Indian Maharaja. The story goes that the Maharaja of Patiala had eloped with the daughter of the British Viceroy. This had led to the Maharaja being banished from entering Simla by the British authorities. He countered the move by setting himself a new summer capital, now famous hill resort of Jail, 45 km from Simla. Jail Hill Station of Himachal Pradesh has the huge list of beautiful hill stations in India that makes it the special tourist place than others. The view of Simla looks so stunning with its colorful lights at night, and I also took some beautiful pictures at night. Some of the sceneries and some of mine too, with beautiful architectures in the background.
दम मारो दम मिट जाए हम बोलो सुबह शाम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम दम मारो दम मिट जाए हम
Well, that's all for now. We'll catch up soon in second part of this edition of my Simla trip. But before that, please like, subscribe and share it. Stay safe and stay tuned here on TFC.